Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be telling you on how to fix the missing sleep option in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what happens is mostly when people go ahead and click the power button right here, they don't see this option right here. So for me, it's on, but I'll tell you how you could turn it on if you don't see it on your end. Simply, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna click on the Windows button, you're gonna search Control Panel. Once you do that, open it up, then you're going to go ahead and search on the control panel settings, search for power options. You'll see a pop-up just right here. You're going to click here, the power option setting. Once you do that, you'll see just right here, it tells you choose what the power buttons do. You're going to go ahead, click that, and then you're going to see something like this. So, as you can see right here, I do have a tick box on. That means it shows for me. Maybe for you it's not showing that it's tick box. So what you have to do is you're gonna go here and click here, change settings that are currently unavailable. You're gonna click here, and then you can simply checkbox this or not. That's how you turn it on. Once you're done with that, you go ahead and you save changes. That is literally it. And that's how you can get your sleep button on the power button. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.